Went to Hobby Lobby and picked up a few things today. Quite a few things, actually. Let's start. I got these skewers. I'm going to use them to hold little parts when I paint them. They were $2.49 for like a million of them at least. I think my wheels will fit good on here. And got them. Got these 12 count medium grit 120 to 240. These are nice. They're little sanding files, like sanding sticks. I got these from my local hobby store. They were quite expensive for these, all different grits. And I find them quite useful. I've been using them and cutting off the bad parts because they, lose their grit after a while. For $2.99, I wanted to try these. A lot cheaper than where I usually go. Beads. What are you doing with these? Another thing. I saw these little, like, BBs that they have. Like, AK has them. I don't know who else has them. They're metal beads, metal BBs that you put in paint bottles. Like, you put in here or, whatever. Kind of like Mission does. Mission puts them in their paints. Hear it? They put them in the paint. That helps mix them up. I think they'll be good for these thicker AKs. So my plan is I'm going to try them. They were only $2.99 for, I don't know, 500,000 of them. I don't know. They're metal. They got little holes. I think I'm going to CA glue the holes. I don't know if that'll help, but I'll try one and see if it works. This morning, Dennis we were talking about CA glue on the show on Back on Track this morning, and Dennis had this extreme power stuff. It's $5.99, pretty reasonable for actually an ounce. I think I pay $4.79 for half of an ounce at my hobby shop. Bob Smith stuff. Bob Smith stuff's pretty good. I'm gonna try this extreme. Got some extra thick. Got some accelerator from there, $5.99. Got these water transfer decal papers, 6 sheets, inkjet. I think I can use them. I think my printer's an inkjet, but I'll see. Before I open it, I'll check it out. $8.49 for these to make your own decals. It was pretty good, I thought. Gotta make room, making room. Hold on, pause you. Got a new model kit. They do have another tank. They had the Patents tank and a Revell kit or monogram kit. I didn't want to try the monogram. I'm pretty happy with Tamiya. $22 for this 135 M41 Walker Bulldog. I've seen some guys build it. It's a pretty cool kit. I'm gonna build that later. Then I saw this. This thing looks pretty cool. I've been wanting something, even to use it as a turntable, like for railroad stuff, to show it off or to spray it. But hold on. So it comes like this. Comes with these little clips too. I have to read the directions. And it comes with this other stand that would sit on here, and it'll hold bigger things. I don't quite know how it works, but I'll mess around with it. These little things look like they are movable. There's all these holes here, so I guess you just move them like I don't know. We'll figure it out. I'll let you know. But this will be nice for spray paint and stuff, anything, and showing it off too. You can put something up here, show it off at level. It's kind of like a Lazy Susan sort of thing. But yeah. And this was, what was this? 20.99, 21 bucks. So here it is here. Tamiya spray work painting stand set. I think there's all kinds of, let's see what's going on here. I'll let you know how this works. I'll do a little review on this, and I'll let you know how these work if you're interested. I'll do a little thing on this to see how they work, and I'll keep you informed on how these sanding sticks hold up. I'm sure they'll be okay. That's my little hobby haul today. That's it. Hobby Lobby. Gotta love them. So I got some beads, metal beads, and put them in my paints. I got them at Hobby Lobby. Got a bunch of them. They have little holes in the centers, but I filled them up with CA glue, 6mm little beads. So I put like 2 or 3 in the bottles, and I think they'll work pretty good.